about that. I was just a bit frozen. Get it? I'm Captain Starlight, and welcome to another Fun with Captain Starlight Unbox and Play. Today we are unboxing and playing with Fisher-Price Little People, Elsa's Enchanted Lights Palace from Disney's Frozen. It's got 3 enchanting floors with a dazzling light show and a super cute Elsa and Anna. Hi girls! But before we get exploring, could you please like this video and subscribe to our channel? Quick, before I get frozen Did you manage to do it? Great work! Time to unbox the palace. Whoa! This must be another floor. Ooh! Oh, it says open here. Oh, Captain Starlight. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Oh, we can't leave Anna behind. Hi, Anna. Hello. Look how cute she is. Anna, where's your sister? She's inside. And here's Elsa. And she's got a little snowflake. That's pretty cool. Can you help me build it? Thanks. Just clicks like that. Clickety click. Whoa! We got the front. Wow. And then we got the back. We got a nice patio in the back. Build it up, build it. Oh, whoa! Where should we put the bed? No. Should we put the bed? No. You don't have a bedroom on the back patio. No. Here. And then, oh, look at the throne. Oh no. Oh, thanks, Anna. Oh, hello, Anna. You're having a party? A dance party? Oh, I'd love to come. I'll be right over. Do you want to come to Anna's party with me? Let's go. Hi, Anna. Hi. Welcome to my house. Let's join the party. Okay. Before we dance, I want to show you the view from the very top floor. Let's go. Let it go. This is a very nice second floor. What? Oh, wow. Hang on. Somebody's missing. Where's Elsa? She's in the back. Wow. This must be Anna's seat here. Oh, looks like we're actually having a bit of a tea party. Thank you for showing me your palace, Elsa and Anna. It was dazzling. Should we finish with the dance? Yeah. Wow. For more unbox and play videos, you can click the link down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.